For today's lesson, we will talk about factoring perfect square trinomial. As you notice, perfect square trinomial. If you don't know what is perfect square, then you can pause this or you can screenshot if you want, or if you know what is perfect square, then let's move on. So, example. How can we make this into a trinomial? That's so easy. First things first, we need to square the first term. That is a squared. Then copy the sign, which is positive or plus. Then multiply the first term and last term. That is AB times 2. That is 2AB. Then copy the sign again. Then square the last term. That is b squared. So here we have our perfect square trinomial. The first term and third term are perfect square, and in the middle term are product of first and third term. This is our example. First things first, we need to check if the first and last term are perfect square. So, what is the square root of 9? That is 3. And then the square root of 16. That is 4. So, we're not done yet. We need to multiply the first and last term. That is 3 times 4 equals 12 times 2. That is 24 mn. We need to factor this. We need to put small parentheses. So what is the square root of first term? That is 3m. And then copy the sign, which is positive or plus. What is the square root of third term? That is 4n. We have our factor. The second example, y squared minus 10y plus 25. What is the square root of y squared? That is y. What is the square root of 25? That is 5. We need to multiply the y times 5. That is 5y times 2. That is 10y. And then put some small parentheses in here with square on it. What is the square root of y again? That is y. Copy the sign and the square root of 25. That is 5. So here are factor. And then the third example is 49a squared plus 42ab plus ab squared. So what is the square root of 49? What is the square root of 49? That is 7. The square root of AB, that is b. The square root of ab squared is 3b. Multiply the first term and third term. 7 times 3 is 21 times 2, that is 42ab. And then put some small parentheses with square on it. So the square root of 49, that is 7a. So plus, and then the square root of ab squared, that is 3b. So here are factored first. So this is our fourth question. So x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. So what is the square root of x squared? That is x. And what is the square root of y squared? That is y. We multiply the first and third term. So x times y, that is xy times 2. So that is 2xy. Put some 2 parentheses with squared. And then what is the square root of x squared? That is x. Copy the sign which is positive or plus. And then y squared. What is the square root of y squared? That is y. So here our last question. Y squared plus 8y plus 16. So what is the square root of y squared? That is y. And what is the square root of 16? That is 4. So we multiply the first and third term. That is y times 4 equals 4y times 2 equals to 8y. Put some small parentheses with squared. What is the square root of y squared? That is y. Copy the sign which is positive or plus. And then what is the square root of 16? That is 4. So here are the factored form. So as you all see, it's so easy if you know what are the steps. So